This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack! How'd you turn one of these into one of these? An ancient warrior mask. Come and have a look at this. Now, you can get an old cardboard box from the supermarket or something, then take an A3 size piece of paper and fold it in half like that, with a folded edge down the left-hand side, and then, starting at that folded edge, draw half a shield shape onto your piece of paper, and make sure your shield shape is at least 25 centimetres from top to bottom. And then draw half a mouth shape, again, at the folded edge. And then right in the middle, an eye. And then cut the eye out, and the mouth, and all of that area. And you get something that looks like that. There it is. And then open that out, and you have a paper mask shape. Then take your cardboard box and place your paper mask onto the bottom corner so that the fold of your mask goes along two of these edges of the box. Now, it's a bit tricky to do this, so I'm just going to have to hold it really carefully. Hold your mask on and then draw around the edge of your paper mask shape onto the cardboard box like that and into the mouth. I'm just doing it quickly here to show you. You can take a bit more time over it, like that, and then again round this side. Again, just carefully holding it into place. From there, and then down there. You know, I think some of these art attacks you have to have 3 hands for. Unfortunately, I've only got 2. But there it is. And then just tip your box over. And these 2 points here, if you just join them at the top, curving it right round the corner, again, you can take more care over it, like that. And then the idea is to cut the whole thing out. Now, it's probably best to pop a hole into the eyes first to make it easier to snip them out, and again into the mouth like that. When you've cut the whole thing out, you'll have something that looks like this. There it is. For the moment, it's a cardboard mask, and it's featureless, so you've got to pop on some features. Now, take an A4 size piece of paper this time. It can be drawing paper, it can be any old scrap newspaper, anything you like, and just scrunch it roughly into a nose shape. Now, okay, I know you're saying, hold on, that looks nothing like a nose. Well, it will in a minute. And just tape it into position. And again, the great thing is you don't have to be neat with any of these things. And then pop on 2 eyebrows, roughly in the position that you think an eyebrow should go, just above the eye like that. And 1 there like that. And then do the tinier features like around the eyes and around the mouth using some twisted up tissue paper or loo paper. I'm just twisting it there into shape, like that, and then take some PVA glue and just dab that around your eye or around your mouth, wherever you're going to place it, and then stick your twist into position, just modelling it with your fingers as you go. And again, it doesn't have to be neat. And when you've done all your features, you'll have something that looks like that. And see what I've done here? I've even done the hairline around the top, and I've done the mouth and the eyes. And look at this, this sort of curly beard all adds to the ancient Greek warrior effect. Now, take some PVA glue and mix it with some water, 2 parts glue, 1 part water, and take some black tissue paper and just simply paste on your strips of black tissue paper onto your mask. And you've seen me do this before. It's just a case of slopping on the glue and pasting on your tissue paper on top of it. And just keep going over the whole of the mask, inside and out, pressing the tissue paper down into those cracks and creases there. And if it comes back up, just paste it back down again like that. And cover the whole of the mask, inside and out. Leave it to dry, and you'll have something that looks like that. Look at that. The PVA glue and the tissue paper has gone rock solid. And now the good bit, the messy bit. Let's put on the ancient metallic effect. And again, just scrunch up a ball of tissue paper or loo roll, dip it into some poster paint or acrylic paint. Silver paint works brilliantly for this. And then just use your ball of blue paper, tissue paper, as a brush, and just lightly dab on your metallic effect over the whole of your mask. Just keep dabbing it on. And you notice I'm not pressing it down into those cracks and creases. Well, all the black cracks that are left give this great sort of ancient cracked metal effect. And if you like, I've got some gold paint here. You can just pick out some of your features, like along the nose or along the eyebrows or even on the eyes, and just do the whole mask in the same way. And when it's finished, leave it to dry, and it'll look something like that. Look at that, an ancient warrior's mask. And you can try gold and silver, or you can try just gold or silver. You see, this one here on the right is just gold paint. And what about that one on the left? It's got a helmet on it. And the way I did that is I just scrunched up some newspaper and tissue papered over the top of it. Try it yourself, an ancient warrior's mask.
Hello, it's me, the head. You'll need the corner of a cardboard box. Then build up the features with scrap paper and cover the whole lot in black tissue paper and stick it down with PVA glue. When it's dry, add some silver or gold paint. Do you want to see mine? Oh, no! I forgot the cardboard box. Oh.
I'm back!
Legends of the Hidden Temple. New series only on the CW.